In Michael H. Hart's famous book, The 100, a ranking of the most influential persons in history, Buddha is ranked as the fourth most influential person in human history. Born as Siddhartha Gautama in ancient India, he was raised as a prince, but spent his life searching for the deeper meaning of human existence. After witnessing suffering, sickness, and old age, Siddhartha left his royal life behind to seek answers about the nature of life and happiness. Through years of meditation and reflection, he achieved enlightenment and became known as the Buddha, meaning, the awakened one. He taught that the path to peace comes through understanding, compassion, self-discipline, and wisdom. His teachings, known as Buddhism, introduced ideas such as the Four Noble Truths and the Eightfold Path. Over centuries, Buddhism spread across Asia and influenced millions of people, shaping philosophy, culture, art, and spiritual traditions. According to Michael H. Hart, Buddha's ideas and lasting influence make him one of the greatest figures in human history.